It's your first eye exam, you don't know what to do, let me make it easy for you. When you come in for an eye exam at Family Vision Optical, if you've never had one, you probably don't have glasses or contacts. If for some magical reason you have either of those, bring them in. The doctor wants to know what you're currently wearing, what you're using. So if you are using over-the-counter readers and you've never had an eye exam, bring those readers in. More information is better. We're gonna check you in, get your insurance, bring a list of all your medications. We'll ask you some simple questions about your basic health. This is what you get in a typical doctor environment. Now, specific to eye care, we're gonna check your vision, do some brief tests to make sure your eyes are functioning the way they should, that they move in the right directions, that your pupils are responsive, that you can see things in all quadrants of your vision. We take a photo of the back of your eye. We want to look at your retina, your optic nerve, and your macula. We can also see your blood vessels there. This gives us information about your overall health. Things like diabetes, high blood pressure, macular degeneration, and glaucoma can be seen from that photo. We'll check your eye pressure, which is a screening test for glaucoma, and we will probably take a measurement of the shape of your eye. The shape of your eye will dictate if you're going to wear contacts, which ones you can or cannot wear, and it will give us an estimate of your prescription. You'll then go in and meet with the eye doctor. They're going to greet you, they're going to ask you some basic questions, how you're using your eyes, if you have any issues or complaints. If you don't know, simply tell them, I'm just here to get my eyes checked out. We'll take it from there. We're going to check your prescription, see if you need glasses, if there's anything we can do to make your vision more comfortable in certain settings like an office, or if you're using a computer, or if you're playing sports or any specific activities like hiking or swimming. We have options that might just make you a little bit better. After we figure out your prescription, we're going to take a look at the health of your eyes. Now, this is very in-depth for us, probably a little more than you'll see at other offices. That's because we value all aspects of your eye health. We're going to look at your lids and lashes, your meibomian glands, making sure that you're producing the best tear film possible, because that's the foundation of your vision. We'll look at your cornea, your iris, just making sure that your pupils are functioning the way they should. And then, like I said, we'll look at the health of the back of the eye, look at your optic nerve, your macula, and whatever we do see, we'll give you an update on what you should do, how often you should be seen. If everything looks great, we're not only going to tell you what is wrong, we'll tell you how to keep it healthy, supplements you should take, good habits, things that will make your vision better, make your life easier. After that, if you need to pick out glasses, if you want to try contacts, we're going to be there to walk you through step by step. Either way, we are here for the long haul. We aren't a one and done office. We want to see you year after year to make sure your vision is the best it possibly can be. So even after your visit, if you need glasses or contacts, we're definitely going to want to see you in a year to make sure things aren't changing. If you don't need them at this time, we want to keep an eye on your overall eye health. So all the things we look at in the front of the eye, all the things we look at in the back of the eye, we now have a baseline that we can compare every year you come in. So even if you don't need glasses or contacts, keep your eyes healthy. That is a typical exam at Family Vision Optical. Like and subscribe for more tips.